This is a Lenovo Z40 screen replacement video. So the first thing you're going to have to do is get a card plastic that you don't use and start prying along the edges of the screen. So you're basically undoing clips. So just go in, pry. It's going to feel like you break it, but you don't. So just keep going all the way along. It's not going to be as easy for you because I already loosened these. So yeah, that's basically it. And then when you get to the bottom, just run your fingers along here and it's going to undo these tabs. And then do the same for these hinges. So when you get to the hinges, you just put your fingers behind here and lift up. And it should unclip like that. And this is the base frame thing. Put that off to the side. And there's 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to have to undo those. Okay, so take off all the 4 screws. Okay, once you have the screen off, like in this position, first thing you're going to want to do is take off this clip plug thing. It's more of a sticker, so let's take it off. And then along with that sticker comes off the plug. As you can see, it's off. And I'll put this screen off to the side. And I'll grab the brand new screen here. And I'll put where I bought it in the bio or something of the thing. I don't know what it's called. And then you just plug it back in. Just make sure it's in when you do this. Okay, and then you basically reapply the sticker. So now it's good to go. And now you just lift up, putting no stress on that wire. And you know, just match up the holes again. And screw it in. Simple as that. Now just screw in the screws. And now you just put this thing back on, same way you took it off, clips popping it back in. Should probably take this sticker thing off. Oh no, I'm gonna leave that. And you've now just installed your new screen. Let's see it in action. There you go.